Hello, and welcome to English Number 1. I'm really happy you're here today. My name is Emily, and this video is a safe place to practice English. Take a deep breath, slowly in and slowly out. Good. Today, we will practice English using a calm and powerful technique called shadowing. Shadowing means you listen carefully and repeat right after me. Don't rush, don't worry, just follow my voice. Now, I want to tell you a story. This story is simple, emotional, and easy to follow. The story is called The Last Train Home. Are you ready? Let's begin. My name is Anna. I am 22 years old. I live in a quiet town with my mother and my younger brother. Our house is small but warm. Every morning, I wake up early. I make tea, kiss my mother goodbye, and walk to the train station. I work in a small bookstore. I like my job because it is quiet, peaceful, and full of stories. Books make me feel calm. That day, I worked longer than usual. The sun went down slowly, and the sky became dark. When I left the store, the streets were empty. I checked the time. I whispered to myself, "The last train is coming soon." I walked faster. At the station, only a few people were there. The air was cold and the lights were dim. I sat on a bench and waited. I could hear my breathing and the sound of the wind. Then, far away, I heard the train. It was coming, slowly, closer and closer. The train arrived with a loud sound. The doors opened. I stepped inside and found a seat near the window. I sat down and relaxed my shoulders. The train started moving. Outside, the city lights passed by like small stars. I felt tired but peaceful. Suddenly, the train stopped. Everything became quiet. The lights turned off. My heart started beating faster. I stayed still and took a deep breath. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Then the lights came back on. The train moved again. I smiled softly. I said to myself, "It's okay. You're safe." A few minutes later, the train slowed down. This was my station. I stood up, walked to the door, and stepped outside. The night air touched my face. It felt fresh and clean. At the end of the platform, I saw my mother. She was waiting for me. She smiled and opened her arms. "You're home," she said softly. In that moment, I felt calm. I felt grateful. I felt safe. The long day was over. Now, it's your turn. Listen again slowly. Pause after each sentence. Repeat in a soft voice. Breathe and speak with confidence. This is how you grow. This is how English becomes natural. Thank you for practicing with me on English Number 1. If you enjoyed this story, like the video. Subscribe to the channel for more slow English stories. I'm proud of you. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye for now.